YouTube is rolling out a new feature called thumbnail test, and it's awesome. Imagine being able to upload multiple thumbnails and find out which one works best. This feature is known as Test and Compare, and it's available to users with access to advanced features. Typically, this means you would have to have at least 1,000 subscribers or be monetized. Though it's not explicitly stated, this feature allows you to upload up to 3 thumbnails to test with viewers. YouTube will then show these thumbnails evenly across to determine which one generates the most watch time share. This is a great opportunity to optimize your content for gaining watch time, because now you have the opportunity to reach 4,000 watch hours, which is needed for monetization. And if you ask me, back in the days, that wasn't even an option. You either just had to, create good content, hope the algorithm is going to pick it up. But now with this new feature that YouTube is putting out, it's going to help a little bit. Currently, the feature focuses on watch time share, but in the future, YouTube might expand it to include more metrics. So keep in mind that you can take it from about 2 days to 3 weeks to see which one performs the best, which thumbnail is going to get the most engagement. Sometimes there might not be a clear winner, especially if the thumbnails are quite similar. So you want to make sure there's some differentiations. The feature is also available on YouTube Studio Desktop, and you need to make sure that you enable advanced features to use it. I wasn't even sure that this was an option, turning on advanced features. Did you know that was an option? It sounds like TikTok. You try to get all these features. They're trying to show you tips and tricks on how to get all these features on TikTok, but you didn't even know there was a way to do it. So YouTube is saying make sure you click on advanced features. Now this is new, but they say it's going to be rolling out to all the creators in the coming weeks. Let me know, will you be using this feature, or have you already used it? There are extensions like TubeBuddy, vidIQ that offer similar features, but it's really cool that YouTube now has their own built-in YouTube Studio. If you find this information helpful, please like, share, and comment. Share with others that could use some information like this, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This way you don't miss any new videos that I create. All right, I'll see you soon.